Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Airbush, which is an AI image generator. And as you can see, they are saying that enter a few words describing the image in your head and hit generate. Then sit back and watch AI bring your dreams to your life in second. That means if you just enter your imagination in word, then it will generate the image depending on your imagination in one click. That means it's an AI image generator tool. Now if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this tool, it's only 29 USD for one code, and here you will get 500 image credit per month. Now how credit will work in this tool, I will explain everything after some time. And see, you can create NFTs, stock photos, illustration, art style, then portraits, art style, and more things here. You can create here blog article cover or thumbnail, and there have image to text converter, responsive design for desktop, tablets and smartphones. Dark mode is available, public gallery with thousands of images, and there are prompts, and there have image upscaling feature, sharpening feature and detailed enhancement feature. So that's huge guys. And if you see the review of this tool, there have 97 reviews on AppSumo and the reviews are 5-star here. So I think the tool is really good tool. Now let me check the tool and let us explore the tool. See, this is the dashboard of Airbush, and here I have to click here on this create image button to create the image. So I'm just clicking here on this create image button. Then you will get this interface, and here I have to describe the image basically that I want. So to get the prompt idea, I will go to Lexica, and here let's say I want to recreate here, let's say this one. See, this is one station, or not this one, let's say I want to recreate this one. So I'll copy this prompt, as I'm not a prompt expert and I do not want to explain it by my own. That's why I have copied this prompt guys. And after copying this prompt, now I'll go to Airbrush, and then I'll just paste it here. And then see, there I have AI engine. You can select here stable diffusion or daily 2. So let's say I'll select here stable diffusion, and here you can select image dimension. Let's say I'll select image dimension extra large here. And as you can see, before creating the image, I have now 15 credits. Now if I click here on this create image, then let's see what type of image we get and how much credit it cost us. See, they're saying that the request could not be processed, please try again. Okay, see, this generation will consume 4 credit guys, they have mentioned it here. And if I select here large, then it will consume 1 credit. If I select here small, then it will consume 0.5 credit. So this is the credit calculation guys. And see, in one code you will get here 500 image credit per month, and if you generate large extra large image, then it will consume 4 credit for every generation. And if you consume the large one, then it will consume basically 1 credit, and if you use this small one, then it will consume 0.5 credit. I hope you get the idea guys about the credit consume feature of this Airbrush. Now let me click here on this create image again, and then let's see what happened. See guys, this is the image, and the image on Lexica art was this one. See, this one was the uh, real image from where I have gotten this prompt, and this is the image that have generated by Airbrush. I hope you get idea, and you can like it, you can dislike it from here, you can download it from here. Let's say I'll download it. See, it has been downloaded. And let's say if I click here again create image, then let's see what happened. Then maybe they will generate something different. See, it has been generated a different image here. I hope you get idea guys about this image creation feature of this Airbrush. Now if I go here on this search gallery option, then here you will get the gallery basically. Let's say you want something like Harry Potter. So if I search here Harry Potter, then let's see what happened. See guys, these are the gallery guys, and that means these images has been generated previously, and you will get access of all their gallery basically from here. And then if you want, you can regenerate these images, you can download images. Also you will get the prompt here. See here, this is the prompt. If you just hover over here, then you will get the prompt. You can copy this prompt, you can modify this prompt, and then you can generate new image basically by using this prompt. I hope you get idea about this search gallery option of this Airbrush, and on this create image feature you will be able to create image basically. After that they have history. If I go to this history section, then you will get your previous history. That means the images that you have been generated previously, you can delete the image from here. And this search gallery option I have explored previously. From this search gallery option you can um, search previously generated images, and then there have image upscaler. Now if I go to this image upscaler feature, here you can upscale the image, and they're saying that I have to submit the URL. But let's say if I go to my dashboard, and here let's say I want to upscale this image, so I'm not sure how can I get the URL of this image. Okay, if I click here open in new tab, then it's not opening in the new tab, so I cannot get this images URL here basically. So maybe I have to upscale uh, from outside of this tool. So let's say let me get one image, let's say um, rose flower. Let me find one rose flower, guys. And then from here let's say I will get one image, let's say I will get this one. So let me open the URL of this image. Let's say here have the option copy link in new tab, then they have option for open link in new window. Let's say I will open it in new window, and then I will copy the URL of this image here. And then now if I go to Airbrush, let me submit the URL, guys, here. And then if I click here on this submit, then let's see what happened here. See guys, this is the upscaled image. Now if I download it, let me download it, and see this one was the first image. See, this was the first image, and after downloading let me check how good the image quality of this one actually. See, let me open it, guys. See guys, this is the upscaled image, and yes, it's not bad, I think. See, I'm zooming it, and it's, I think, good, but it can improve more, I think. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Airbrush tool. Here have the option for AI image generation. You can also get access of their enlarged gallery of AI image. Also you can get the feature by which you can upscale your images, or you can basically increase the resolution of your images. So these are the things, and they are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, but I'm not getting any difference between other AI image generation tool available on AppSumo. Let's say if I compare it with Super Machine, or if I can compare it with AI SEO art, then there is no difference, I think. So they all are almost same, but this tool is cheap. See, only 29 USD, but other tools are comparatively expensive, I think. So if you think you need one AI image generator tool, then you can get this AI image generator of Airbush. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Airbush lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use it to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.